Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. It's the same day when I made the three micro challenge with crowns, and today I will be making slime. Now, what type of slime will you be asking? This slime. Alright, so I got my ingredients, so now I'm just gonna put the glue, this glitter glue in here. So, oh, it looks so good. Looks so satisfying. I don't know why I'm doing it. Guys, make sure you get all that glue too. It's a lot of glue left in here. Let's get this out. Come on, get out glue. Well, you could get out. I might save the rest of this bit. So, that's really matter. Now, this glue better work with Gain, because all my slimes work with Gain, so it should work. Alright, so guys, looks like that. I don't think all people, it's so thick. Maybe you can make it without Gain, but I will still use it. It's not fun if you don't use it, so. Alright, oh, it's so slippery. Make big slime. So let's mix that first. Okay, I think it's working because it's pretty slimy. And it's weird. Okay, it's working so far. I don't think Gain will work, but okay. I don't have Tide, so I have Gain. And I don't know when next time I'm gonna get Tide. But this time it's working. It's some good slime. It's so cool. Okay, slime is awesome, kids. I recommend to play with it. I mean, everybody loves slime. I'm the type of person who will make slime for the rest of their life. Now, I don't know how to make for the rest of my life, but yeah, I love slime. So, alright, so I think it had enough detergent, yeah. So I put the top back on. Okay, guys, so this is like the second video I made of slime. Go check the first one, how to make slime for beginners. So, yeah, it's so messy. Like, seriously. It's gonna have to be cleaned up. It's so goopy. I have to knead it. It's gonna be weird. It's really weird. It's kneading. Oh shoot. Y'all, shout outs. Never shout out to Rihanna, Naomi, Amira, and Praise. You know, gotta give them shout outs because they're the best, obviously. Okay. Like, they go to my school. Yeah. People on here, you know, some people know who I am. Oh, it's working. It's so cool. Okay, I think it's gonna work. But the color changed. It was gonna be pink until it's purple. It looks pink on camera. Oh, you can see a purple now. Okay, it's gonna be very sticky. What? It's very sticky. Oh, it's gonna take. Okay. It's so sticky. Okay, so let's knead this in with the other slime parts. It's so freaking goopy. It's sticky too. Okay. I'm bringing this slime to school. So I was imagining what my teacher would say if I got this taken. He was like, yes, I am taking this slime. Okay, but yeah, we're not allowed to have school. I mean, I said we're not allowed to have school, but that should be a thing. We're not allowed to have slime in class or school. So sucks to be us. I'm just getting this goop, trying to get the slime off there now. See, the color of that is not supposed to be that color, so now I'm mad because it wasn't the actual color. And if I wanted that color, I would have got purple. But it's alright, it's still pretty. But yeah, I like this slime. My one color. I have 2 different wall colors. But yeah, I have an accent wall. Here, poke. It's very sticky though, so that's why it's not poking right now. It's that, no, I'm not poking right now, so leave me alone. But yeah. Hands are messy. Oh, I got a bead in it. I'm not making no crunchy slime right now. I made crunchy slime before, so yeah. Got a little tattoo here that is gonna come off soon. But it's just my for y'all, so yeah, I'm not. The slime got on my lip. I took it off now. Alright, so I'm about to scoop all this stuff out. Need to wipe it out. I'm about to wipe this container with this paper towel. Alright, let's put the slime in there. Okay, y'all, so the slime is completely done. No, it cracked. This container cracked, bruh. I think I have a little container though. So hold on, y'all. Still see me. But yeah. Ooh, shit, dirty container. I'm dirty though. Got another one of those, so good for me. So maybe my mixing container. Alright, y'all, so the slime, it's completely done. I said I was reading something off my social medias. Follow me on Musical.ly, Jade and Lee, Jade _ Leah _ Jade _ and _ Leah. But yeah, y'all. Sorry, you see the cage? Okay, y'all. This is some good slime making. I know. I'm sorry. Let's switch the camera back. But yeah, that was the video about me making slime. But I don't know if it was good videos here. But I just like to make slime. So okay, sorry. I was reading something from my social media, which is YouTube. So that's no social media. Okay, it's a dirt. It's not sticky at all, so that's good. Yeah, this is some good slime. Hey. Oh yeah. Alright, so y'all, this is the slime video. I'm good thing I made some slime. I need to come back strong because I don't be making slime on here no more. And I don't know why. Why am I stalking like that? Okay, put the top on the slime. Sorry, you see the camera falling. Alright, so y'all, that concludes this video. We should have called this slime making part 2. It's not for beginners though. You have to get some real stuff for this stuff. But yeah. But I use Gain, and I'm surprised because I don't use Gain a lot. So yeah, I don't really. Yeah, I use Tide more than anything. I use Clear Tide, Blue Tide, all the type of tides you name. I basically almost have. Almost, y'all. Because last time I had some Clear Tide was like a year ago, 2017. But yeah. Yo, this concludes this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe. Click the bell button. And like this video. Bye.